Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about the search method in the strings. So as you know, the search method gonna search that object and how many type it is and where it is. It's gonna say that by giving you that. So in the string, and now what we're gonna do is um create a var, name it as like paragraph, something like that. That would be great. After that, what we're gonna do is uh, create a string. Now what we're gonna do, use the regex form to get that. So regex form will be slash w s slash g. When we do that, it literally means dog. So when we do that, log it on a console and paragraph dot search and pass the regex. So when we do that, it's gonna say the in which this word is there. So like this word is 0th and this was the first, so which number it is beginning. So it's in the 43. Dog is here. So this is what it does. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.